In the last 6 months, when this book blocking thing started, I started looking at what could be the cause. So I took my time to observe what is going on. Not just an observation, I started using some of my test accounts to check what exactly is going on. I tried out a lot of things and even got some of my accounts terminated. These accounts are not my main account. I just created them so that I can use them to test any new thing that Amazon brings up or any new developments on the content guidelines. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 7 major things that I noticed throughout this year that are the main changes in the Amazon KDP business or the platform generally. Get your pen and paper because this is the secret to a better 2025 publishing year. Let's get started. 1. Amazon does not trust new accounts anymore. They need you to prove that you are curating or creating quality books. This is actually why the book blocking thing started. A lot of half-baked books were being uploaded onto the Amazon platform. So Amazon needed to flush the system. And after flushing the system, they started checking accounts deeply to see how people are creating their books. If they are not convinced about the quality of your book, they'll quickly block it. But if you are sure of what you did in that book. In fact, somebody told me this about May or June. He told me that he sent them a message and then they unblocked the book, and since then he did not receive any book blocking again. So I decided to try it out. I tried it out a couple of times and it was positive. Some they unblocked and some they did not unblock. Some they told me that they are not convinced. What they do is that when you send them a message, they will check your account, check the book, and then ask you a few questions, usually 4 questions. 1, they will ask you, where did you get the content to write your book? How did you research the book? What is your target audience? And how can you prove that your book is quality for the target audience? Once you can answer this perfectly, you are going to get your books unblocked and you will never experience book blocking again. The reason most people don't get response from Amazon is because they contact Amazon the wrong way. Now, let me quickly show you how to contact Amazon the right way if your books get blocked and how you can get it unblocked. The first thing you need to do is to click on help. Once you click on help like this, it will load this page. You scroll down and by the left hand side you click contact us. Once you click contact us, it will load this page and then you click book formatting and publishing because that is what you want Amazon to address, and then you click book status because you want to know the status of your book. Once you click book status, you read all these things, you watch this video, but you don't even have time to watch all these videos. It does not solve your problem. You just scroll down and then you see still need help, contact us. Once you click on contact us, you see ignore this call part. Now you cannot call them. You can only call them between 4 a.m. and 8 p.m. US time. The only thing you can do is to chat them, and that is exactly where we are going. But if you want to call them directly, it's even faster. I have the phone number. If you need it, let me know in the comment section down below. If I have a lot of requests for it, I'll post the phone number in the community. But you can always chat them and you get fast response. So when you click on start chat, they will tell you to put your name, that's the name on the account, the ISBN or ASIN of this book that got blocked, then the order number. Everything is on your bookshelf page. Once you put it, you start conversation. This person you are going to be chatting with is not the person that can unblock your book. He is just a customer support to take your complaint. You cannot have access to the person that can unblock your book because they are the content review team. These people does not have direct contact with publishers or sellers. When you make your complaint to this person that is going to be chatting with you, that's the customer support, you will tell them that you need to get across to the content review team that your book got blocked for no reason and you need them to unblock it right now. You have to be articulate. The person will now tell you, okay, please hold on, while he links you up or he escalates your complaint to the content review team. Just hold on for like a few seconds and he will tell you that he has escalated it, he has sent it to the content review team. Immediately you receive an email from Amazon on the email registered with that account that your message has been escalated or your complaint has been escalated, and in less than 30 minutes you will get another email with the response about your book that got blocked. The message can come in 2 forms. 1, they can ask you 4 questions: who the book was written for, which is the target audience, the content of the book, where you got it, how did you research the content of the book, and prove the quality of your book. Once you are able to answer these questions correctly, your book is going to be unblocked and you never experience book blocking again. If you need me to give you a format on how to respond to these messages, tell me in the comment section down below and I'll post it in the community how to respond to Amazon KDP content review team to unblock your book. And they can also tell you that they are withholding their previous decision if they find out that your book does not meet their content guideline. If you want me to do a comprehensive video about book blocking and how to unblock your book, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll do a complete video on book blocking, why your books get blocked, what to do to avoid book blocking, and how you can unblock your book if it gets blocked. The second observation is that colored interiors sell absolutely well, even with a slightly high price. If your book are books that require step-by-step instructions to follow, or location-based like travel guide, cookbook, or any type of book that you have to put a lot of images, feel free to explore colored interiors, because buyers now want to get satisfied rather than just read a book. So if your book is colored and the price is slightly high, they will still prefer to buy it. In my previous video, I showed you how colored interior books are selling. So that's another observation. You can increase the price of your book since there's going to be an increase in the printing cost due to the fact that the book is colored. So feel free to explore colored interiors. Maybe not on all your books, but any book that you feel like is quality and you've done the keyword research properly to get the best keywords, so that book will sell. You can explore it with the colored version and you are going to make sales. 3. Amazon is not against AI generated content. Yes, this is another observation. I have like 20 books that I use AI to do, complete AI without changing a single thing. Amazon did not block the book, but the book went live. So Amazon is not against AI content or even images. What Amazon is against is the wrong usage of these AI tools. If, for example, your book is about workout or daily workout or morning workout, and the person you are using to depict the workout image does not look like a human being, the face is not properly shaped, the hand is not in proportion, that is going to confuse their buyers, and they don't want that. So they are going to block that book or even terminate the account because you are misleading their customers. Amazon does not want anything that will mislead their customers. Or if it's a cookbook, you are talking about yogurt parfait, and what you are showing inside the picture to depict yogurt parfait is not yogurt parfait, maybe it's something else. Amazon is going to terminate that account because customers will even complain you are misleading them. So if you know how to use AI the right way, get the right content and get the right images, you are definitely not going to have issues with Amazon. So Amazon is not against AI content. 4. Buyers want to see an appealing layout. Chunking simple words into the pages of your book is not going to cut it anymore. Buyers want to see a dynamic or dynamics in your book. They want to see an advanced type of formatting in your book. They want to see pictures, images around special positions in your book, such that your book looks very attractive. Let me show you something. Look at this book, Dash Diet Cookbook for Seniors Over 50. I did everything with Microsoft Word. You can see the color usage, the way everything looks about the author, who this book is for. You see the table of contents. It is looking attractive. I didn't even make it too colorful. As you can see, let's get to the recipe part. You see how the pages are looking appealing. Look at it. If you do your book like this, you are likely to make more sales than somebody who just pours all the content on the white pages and everything is just black and white. Or even if it is colored, you have to make it colorful like this. Can you see? If you want me to do the video on how to create this book, let me know in the comment section down below that you want advanced book formatting video. Legal Naira, please do advanced book formatting video, and I'm going to do this I'm going to use this exact book to do a video to teach us how to. Can you see how everything looks good? If anybody or any potential buyer opens this book and sees the look inside like this, and then opens another book and sees a plain interior, they are likely going to buy this book as against that book. Everything you are seeing here is very simple. It's very, very simple. And if you want me to do a video, just let me know. I'm going to do a video on how to do this because 2025 is going to be a better year, and these are the type of books that are going to be selling in 2025. 5. Book pricing. You see, gone are the days when your books are priced low and you still make sales. These days, because of the shege that buyers have seen, they now feel like highly priced books are the quality books. Books that are priced low are low quality. This is an observation that I noticed about 6 months ago, and I've tried it till today that I'm doing this video. If you price your book low, no matter how good that book is, buyers will not even open it in the first place. And if they don't open it, they might not even buy the book. Price your books relatively higher. If it's a paperback, put it around $10 to $15. Don't go beyond that, except it is colored. If it is colored, you can go as high as $18. But if it's just black and white, put it between $11, $12 to $15, and the Kindle version you can leave it at $3.99 or $4.99. you will see that your sales will even increase because buyer will start seeing your book as a quality book because of the high price. Just don't go too high. You can also check your competitors to see the price they put in their book and then place your own price somewhere around that. 6. Publishing books and leaving it on the Amazon platform while you are waiting for buyers to come and buy the book does not work anymore. You need to go out, farm or scout for buyers, scout for people that would come and buy your book. Go and bring traffic into Amazon. Then Amazon will prioritize your account, not just your book, but your entire account. So sales will come. Amazon will keep pushing you up as long as people are coming from outside to the Amazon platform. It means you are assisting Amazon in their external promotions, so they would prioritize your book. You can actually take advantage of digital marketing tools like email marketing, social media marketing, classified ads, Facebook groups or forums to drive traffic to your book. If you also want me to do a video on how to use email marketing, social media marketing, Facebook groups and forums to drive traffic to your book, let me know in the comment section down below and I'm going to do a comprehensive video. I like doing my videos based on your request. I will not just think about a video and do it. Any video you see me post here, it is what my subscribers and followers request that I create videos for. Start running ads, start trying to get email of your customers, social media or Facebook groups. Use those platforms to drive traffic to your book and you'll be able to make a lot of sales. On the Amazon platform, it's not like you will not make sales, but if you want to increase your sales and make a lot of money from Amazon, you need to start thinking external. Go and get customers from outside. 7, which is my final observation, if you have reviews on your book, you are going to make a lot of sales. Review builds confidence in potential buyers. When they read what people are saying about your book, they'll be confident to buy your book. I noticed that all the books that have a lot of reviews, they are making more sales than new books that does not have any review. The more reviews you have on your book, the higher chances of making sales. You can get reviews by using Facebook groups, publishing forums, review sharing sites like Pobi.co or subscription sites like Bookscrouts, Freebooski, Bargain Booski. What this site does is that you pay some money to them and then they'll promote your book to their readers. Their readers would either download your books for free and then leave their honest review or buy the book and then leave a review. On Facebook forums or Facebook groups rather, you can post the link to your book. Since everybody there, all the people inside that group are like minds, some will go and download the book, read it and leave their honest review. These are different ways that you can get review to your book. Another sure way is to use your friends and family abroad. If you have people in US, UK, Canada or any other country in the West, you can send them your book link and tell them to buy the book, then help you drop a positive review. Amazon is not against this. There is no crime in sharing your book with your friends and family to read and then leave their honest review. Amazon is not against it. What Amazon is against is that you are now going to tell them the review to write. Let them put their honest review. However, that does not work. We know how to do it. After we give them the link to read, we know how we can talk to them to help us put positive review, especially with the fact that they are our friends and family. If you don't have anybody abroad that can help you do this, there are people in Nigeria that have families abroad and friends that can help them purchase a book or download it for free. If it's on free promotion, then leave their honest reviews. If you want me to do a comprehensive video about how to get reviews using friends and family, let me know in the comment section down below and I'm going to do a complete video on how to get reviews. In fact, I'm going to share the people in Nigeria that I know that can help you leave reviews, up to 50 reviews on your book. All they need to do is to share it with their friends abroad or their family members abroad and then tell them to download the book or buy the book and leave their positive review after reading the book. Like I said, Amazon is not against this. This is not review doctoring. It is just you sending your books to your loved ones to read and then leave their positive reviews on it. Even though we know, don't tell Amazon, even though we know that we can still influence their review, don't tell Amazon, this is a secret. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to share the people that can help you do this at a low cost. So these are my solid observations in the last 6 months or even throughout this year on Amazon. If there's any video you want me to do, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you are interested in learning how to make money online with different online hustle or Amazon KDP to be precise, like this video and hit the subscribe button, then turn on the bell notification icon so that the next time I post awesome videos like this, you are going to get instant notification from Amazon. And whatever method or whatever secret I expose in that video, you are going to be part of those that would implement it and start making money fast. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.